Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of connecting your Shopify store with Printify to create and sell custom products as part of your print-on-demand business. Let's get started. To begin, head to your Shopify store. You'll need a Shopify account to proceed, which you can easily create using your email or Google account. Once you're logged into your Shopify admin, you might wonder how to create custom products or start a print-on-demand business on your store. The solution is simple. Connect your Shopify store with Printify. Next, go to Printify.com. Printify is a free platform that lets you create and sell custom products. It features over 800 high-quality products and the world's largest print network. To get started, sign up for a free account using your email address or Google account. After signing up, you'll be taken to the Printify dashboard where you can explore various product categories such as men's clothing, women's clothing, accessories, and home goods like posters and towels. To connect your Shopify store, navigate to the My Stores section on your Printify dashboard. Click Add New Store and choose Shopify from the available integrations. Enter your Shopify store URL. You can find this URL in your Shopify admin. Copy and paste it into Printify, then click Connect. Follow the prompts to install the Printify app in Shopify. You'll log into your Printify account during this process to complete the connection. Alternatively, you can connect via Shopify by opening the Apps section in your Shopify admin. Click Shopify App Store and search for Printify. Select the Printify app, click Add, and follow the same steps to log into Printify and complete the setup. Once connected, you can start creating products directly in Printify. You can also access templates and graphics available in Printify. Customize the product as needed by adjusting the design's position, size, and layout, or adding designs or text to both the front and back of the product. After designing, set the product details. Adjust product variants like sizes and colors, and set the pricing. Save your product to generate mock-up images. Review or edit the product's title, description, and tags. Choose to publish directly to your Shopify store or save it as a draft for later. Your product will now appear in your Shopify store, ready for customers to purchase. Connecting Shopify with Printify is straightforward and opens up endless possibilities for creating and selling custom products. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.